Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is officially go time. Christmas is approaching so quick, you guys. This week leading up to Christmas is my favorite. I love it. So after my workout, I just showered and I got back in PJs. It's going to be one of those cozy, chill days while we're home, just enjoying each other, catching up on Christmas movies. Right now I'm watching Noel. Noel is on. I put my holly jolly Christmas vibes, put those pajamas back on, and it is just chill mode. I'm glad that the girls are home from school because we just needed this break. Looking forward to this break where I don't have to run them to school, run them to sports. We're just home. That's why I love this week. Leading up until Christmas, we're home, we're spending quality time, we're watching the movies, and we're just enjoying this time together. And that's what it's all about, creating these memories and spending this time with each other. I'm so happy that my girl is home. So this morning was just real chill and relaxed. I came down, made the girls breakfast, and then I put on a little workout on my TV. It's a Jillian Michaels. It's very old, but I used to do this like 6 years ago, and then I just decided, I went out there and looked for it and saw that it was on Amazon. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this a try. So the Jillian Michaels, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm already sore. So that was good. I did my little Jillian Michaels workout this morning, fed the girls. I'm having a smoothie. I'm having a smoothie, very good. And then today we're just gonna get into making all of our sweet treats. We're gonna make some Rice Krispies. We're gonna make the reindeer chow, which I also make that for Halloween, and we call it Monster Munch. It's the same thing, but it's where you put in the Chex Mix, the cereals. You can put pretzels, M&Ms, and you just switch up the M&Ms for each holiday, different colors. And then you just pour it with white chocolate, and then you break it all in pieces, and it's just like chunks. It's so good. Everybody loves it in this house. house, and then making the reindeer chow. And I'm also going to be making my annual turtle cookies. I only make these cookies for Christmas, and I make them every year. I've been making them for a couple years now. I'm just gonna get in the kitchen and start getting these tasty treats done because it is go time. Christmas is just in a couple of days, and if I wait until day of, it's just gonna be too much. I'm gonna be overwhelmed. I'm gonna be bombarded with everything, and I'm not gonna be able to enjoy. And I definitely want to be able to enjoy the holiday as well. So I'm gonna get a head start today, get some of these tasty treats done. I'm so excited, looking forward to my family being here. My siblings are coming. You guys are gonna be a part of it. We're gonna get in the kitchen and make these tasty treats together. So let's just jump into it.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost.
I got the Rice Krispies done. Check. Now I'm about to work on the reindeer chow. We're really just hanging out, chilling, guys. They built a little fort. A Christmas fort. We're watching the Muppet Babies Christmas Carol. Let me show you how the Krispies look. They're looking yum. The Crispies are looking yum. Now I'm about to put together the reindeer chow, and it's really easy to do. You just basically dump everything in there, pour white chocolate, lay it out on a flat sheet so that it can all dry, and then you break it apart. I don't even really measure. I just dump in what I like. So I have here some Cheerios, frosted Cheerios, some Chex Mix, pretzels, and some Christmas M&Ms in my spode, of course. And I'm gonna just get it mixed all up into this bowl.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But
look at this cute ornament Tati made at school. Oh, it's cute. Oh, oh, it's Rudolph. I love it. Tatiana, your ornaments. I love them.
it's gonna be you and me, decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes,
It's time to get my ham defrosted. Been looking on Pinterest trying to get some ideas on what type of glaze I want to do. And I've also been looking into these cookbooks. I love these holiday cookbooks. I have a few of them that my mom has given me throughout the years, and they are amazing. There's so many good things in there that I would like to try. But I'm about to grab my ham out to move it to the refrigerator, and then I'm about to start working on dinner. Today I'm gonna make some sweet and sour chicken with some vegetables and maybe some rice, so stay tuned for that.
Christmas sun.
So this is my ham. It is uncured wood smoked with glaze, but I never use the glaze that they give me. So I'm gonna be checking out Pinterest or my books for me to find a recipe. So I'm just gonna move this over from my deep freezer into my refrigerator so it can defrost over the next couple of days so I can cook it for Christmas. Let me know down in the comments if you all cook for Christmas. Is it like a big deal? Do you cook Christmas dinner, or do you just don't do it? You only cook for Thanksgiving? My mom always cooked for Thanksgiving and for Christmas, so I guess I'm just following her tradition. I usually do a pork for Thanksgiving, Spanish style roasted pork, and then for Christmas I do a ham. So that is the game plan. It's time for me to start cooking dinner, and then we're just gonna chill. It's been a real chill day today. Not a lot has been going on. I've been in the kitchen making our treat. The girls have been chilling. They're vibing out, playing their games and everything, enjoying break as they should, building forts, watching Christmas movies. And now I'm about to cook.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on.
Dinner is done. Let me show you this chicken. Sweet and sour chicken. It looks the bomb.
Oh my gosh, look at that color. It looks so good, so yummy.
So I'm gonna serve that up with some broccoli and some white rice. The treats are done. I bagged them up. I broke apart the munch. So you grab like little chunks, sweet and salty. And then I got the Rice Krispies bagged up as well. So that is done. So I wasn't able to make my turtle cookies because I was out of 2 ingredients. So I'm gonna have to run out tomorrow and get some last minute ingredients that I need. And I'll make those cookies tomorrow. But right now we are about to eat dinner. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with us today, you guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.
From this Christmas on.